This is Alyssa from All Things Automotive. Today we're looking at a 2017 Chevrolet Suburban Premier. We're going to go ahead and start up front here. You do have your LED fog lights down here at the bottom. You have your Chevy badging along with your chrome front here. On the side you have your 20x9 polished aluminum wheels on pretty decent tread Continental tires. You do have your Suburban badging as well as your chrome mirror, and you do have your extra turn signal lights here. You do have that extra step down there as well. Same thing back here, about the same tread depth as the front tire. You do have that extra spoiler-like thing up there. You have your proximity sensors here in the back and the front. You have your Premier badging, your Chevy badging, and your Suburban badging. This is equipped with a backup camera. On the side here, a little less tread than our right side tire, but still decent tread. And we'll check this front tire. About the same as our left rear tire that we just checked as well. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start here in the back. Take a look at our trunk. You have your power liftgate. You have a lot of extra space back here. You can adjust your seatings back here as well with buttons. For your third row, you do have some extra storage as well. On the inside of our back door, you do have some extra storage here as well as a cup holder and even some more storage down here. And your window options, you do have your dark black leather seating on the inside. If you pull this down, you can see your third row, plenty of space back there for any occupants in your third row. You do have some extra storage and some cup holders on both sides, and you do have a place to charge anything if needed. Go ahead and pull this back up. You do have your media center in the third row as well as the second row. Go ahead and push this one down so you can see. There you go. You have all of your options and your buttons right above the TV as well. In the center, you have your heated seats for your second row, and you have some extra battery storage there, some more storage down here. You have 2 USB ports, an auxiliary port. You can adjust your volume back here as well as your air and temperature. Take a look in our front seat. Again, you have that extra storage space down here, as well as your lock and unlock, your window options, and then your mirror controls. You do have your memory seating for 2 passengers. You have your seat controls here. And again, you have that dark leather seating up here in the front as well. This is equipped with a sunroof. Go ahead and look at our keys. All of our vehicles come with 2 keys, which is about a $300 value in itself. This is a push to start. You do have your lock unlock, your remote start. You can put up your tailgate again with your remote. We're going to go ahead and start it up. Take a look at our miles. We have 31,932 miles. On the site, you can look through all of your information. This is equipped with a Wi-Fi network that you can connect to. You have your headlight controls as well as your 4-wheel drive controls. You can hook up to a trailer. It does have a hitch. There's all your trailer options. On the side, you have your windshield wipers and windshield wiper fluid options, as well as your turn signals. You do have your shifter up here. On the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings as well as your heated steering wheel. You have your menu options and your Bluetooth controls. In the center, you have your audio controls, and you have all of your phone controls. It is equipped with navigation. You can look at your phone messages. It'll read all your messages. It does have a CD player. Here you have your radio options, your media controls, your menu options. You do have your dual heating and cooling here that you can sync or unsync. You have your air conditioning, all your heating and cooling. You have your seat controls, your heated seats for both sides. You do have your 2 USB ports, an extra battery there, and some extra storage in there. Then you have your 2 cup holders here. Up here, you can close your doors. You can open up your sunroof from here, as well as open up your back. And then you have your center console. It looks like you have 2 more USB ports as well as an auxiliary port, and you have a bunch of space in there for anything extra that you'd like to carry. We're going to go ahead and shut this off and jump out, and we're going to take a look to see if this vehicle has any blemishes or scratches on the car. And we're going to start at the front. That's the most typical place to find any scratches. Based on rock chippings, there are a few right up here in the front bumper. A few more over here. One right there. Looks like overall it's pretty good in the front. Wheels look really good. No dents right here. Looks pretty good. Looks like there might be a small little scratch right there on the right front passenger door. A few small little scratches back here on the back bumper. That's pretty typical, taking things in and out of your trunk. A few small little scratches back here. Looks like there's a small little dent here on your left side rear door. But overall, it looks like a really great vehicle. Lots of options, lots of equipment on this vehicle. If you'd like to see it, give us a call here at 717-485-4224. Check out our website for more information and financing options at www.allthingsautomotive.com, or visit us here in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania at 21518 Great Cove Road. Thanks for watching.